Multiple regression analysis of diversification effect on GDP per capita, the case of UAE and Saudi Arabia. This article is written by two authors. First author Rola Mourda. Last author Mohammed Hattia. Contribution and originality of the study is that this paper shall contribute to the GCC economic literature by providing first empirical analysis of the effect of diversification on GDP capita for the two biggest countries in the GCC region. The paper provides a benchmark that can be used for the other four countries, namely Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, and Oman. Since the 1990s, the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) countries aim to focus in their economic planning on diversification of their economies that are mainly dependent on oil with varying degrees depending on the country, to avoid the high fluctuations in global oil prices that cause volatility and instability in their national incomes. Applying an empirical and comparative approach for two distinguished economies out of the 6 GCC countries, namely United Arab Emirates, UAE, and Saudi Arabia, SA, this study aims to use time series data over the period 1980 to 2014 for both countries to reflect the diversification attempt's effect on GDP per capita. A simple multivariate regression is applied using the value-added contribution of three main sectors, industry, agriculture and services, to test whether changes in the percentages contribution of these factors did have an impact on GDP per capita in these countries over the years. Results concluded that the diversification efforts do affect the level of GDP per capita in both countries, with higher statistical significance in Saudi Arabia. Comparing pre- and post-diversification years revealed stronger effect of the sector's contribution after diversification plans implementation. UAE appeared to have benefited more than Saudi from the diversification efforts in terms of its GDP per capita level. Thanks for watching this abstract video of Asian Journal of Economic Modeling Volume 5 Issue Number 3.